Oh god, I'm over. Can we fix it? Hello everyone, it's LAT here, download 2, and welcome to Bob the Builder. Or wait, no. It's supposed to be Bob the Killer. So this is a game made by Dave Microwaves Games. It was supposed to be in Patreon. It was never actually free. But now, Dave Microwave Games decided to make this free for everyone, or make it, or people can pay as well. Anyways, without further ado, let us get right into the horror attraction. Bob, better not be running around here. Swear to God. If you are, then I'm not going to be having a best day of my life. And people already know that, so. Oh god, I'm over. Ah! I didn't even. Listen, I didn't even start yet, and I'm already dead. I'm trying to be careful, cause he runs very fast. And you can't really expect it. Gas can! So, mostly where the lighter is that, it's all the way back over here. Oh god, I'm afraid to go in here. There he is. Alright, let's go ahead and look around. Uh-oh. He knows where I'm at. Yeah, no. I'm out. There he is. So, now I don't have a gun. Oh no, what the... Is that a shotgun? Oh! I got an extra one. How fun is that? Extra shotgun for what, though? Yeah, come at me, bro. Come at me. Maybe not. I think I broke him. I broke him. I broke him! There's no way I actually broke him. Oh my god. I broke Bob. So yeah. Lighter! Yes. Cool. Bro, he's still stuck. Hey Bob. Hey Bob, looky over here. Hey, I'm burning down the statue. You can't do nothing about it. Let the fire rise! Okay, now I feel like maybe I'm starting to become the villain here. I turned on the generator. Hey, are you stuck over there? Hey, are you still stuck over there? Can't do nothing about it. I don't want to do it. I'm not taking the chance. I'm not taking the chance of trying to kill him. And then trying to go to the exit gate. I'm not taking a chance. I'm afraid he might... Okay, let me try it. You still stuck, my buddy? You still stuck, my buddy? Where are all you on? Yeah, shut up! Go, 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 go. Hey, I'm headed to the exit. You can't do nothing about it. Oh man. That was amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what you think of this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, keep on and keep safe. Bye bye everyone.